How you start acting like a bitch? I guess I'm running away from the wind. Look what the wind blew in. I guess this is the way that I live. These motherfucking hoes just trying to come in my way. I guess I'm just trying to get the fuck out this place. And I guess I gotta do it on my own. I guess I got the gone. Aim me to you don't. Compton, California, motherfucker. Aim me to your house. Here I come once again. Bumping this shit from the underground. I don't really care. That fool beware. 9mm. Shit. Fuck up. All this shit.